Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to fix Zepto Wallet cache not working. Alright, let's begin. First, Zepto is an online grocery delivery service that offers a wide range of products, including fresh products, snacks, household essentials, delivered quickly to your doorstep. It is known for its faster delivery within minutes. Also, it is convenient for the users who want to get their foods in short notice. Now, the first thing you need to do to fix all these issues is go to your home screen, hold on to the app and tap on the info icon. After that, access the storage section from this page, tap on Clear Data, and then clear all data. It will then fix all the problems. But if it doesn't work, you can also update the Zepto app if there is any update available. Now, the last thing you can do is just uninstall this application and reinstall it. So that's basically how you can fix Zepto Wallet cache not working. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.